In environments where electrostatic discharge can disrupt operations or damage sensitive equipment, the choice of flooring is critical. Y.H.F company offers a specialized solution, ESD vinyl flooring tiles 1800 series in a 900x900x3mm format, a size not commonly available on the market. Internationally, standard ESD tile sizes are typically 12 inches x 12 inches, 24 inches x 24 inches, and 36 inches x 36 inches. At Y.H.F Factory, we are equipped to mass-produce multiple formats, including 24-inch tiles, 600 x 600 mm, 608 x 608 mm, and 610 x 610 mm, and 36 inches x 36 inches, 900 x 900 mm, tiles, a specification that only our factory is capable of mass-producing in China. We have dedicated equipment, molds, and tooling in place to ensure stable and scalable mass production of the 900 x 900 mm format, meeting the technical requirements of industrial projects that demand both size and performance. This size offers distinct benefits when compared with conventional dimensions such as 600 x 600 mm. The larger format reduces the number of seams during installation, minimizing potential weak points in the conductive network and enhancing ESD performance. One disadvantage is its weight, 4.8 kilograms per piece, whereas the 600 x 600 mm size weighs approximately 1.5 kilograms per piece. As a result, it is less convenient to handle and install compared to smaller sizes. With 3 mm thickness, the 900 by 900 anti-static tile offers solid load-bearing capacity and dimensional stability under long-term use. These combined features make the 900 x 900 x 3 mm static control vinyl tiles a reliable and efficient choice for maintaining static control in demanding environments.